Introducing Rotate, the groundbreaking complete watch kit. Our kits provide everything you need to build a hand-wound, battery-free mechanical watch. From the hand-wound gears, the sapphire glass bezel, and of course, the perfect tools for the job. Each kit comes with an in-depth, beginner-friendly guide. Choose your difficulty level and style amongst our selection of watch and movement kits. As an extra assurance that you have the best experience possible, we include lifetime warranties and 24/7 access to our support team, based in our Los Angeles headquarters. Watchmaking has charmed the world for over 500 years. Historically, it's been challenging to learn without going to an expensive watchmaking school. Rotate brings the craft to you so you can take on the age-old challenge. Take on our challenge. Join us and thousands of satisfied customers all over the world revitalizing watchmaking. Get ready to make time with Rotate.